Operating a commercial aircraft is a costly venture, with expenses that go far beyond the initial purchase price. In this video, we are counting down the 5 most expensive commercial airplanes in the world to own and maintain. From fuel efficiency to maintenance costs, these aircraft come with staggering price tags that influence airline operations and profitability. Stay tuned to find out which aircraft tops the list. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the A350-1000. With a list price of $366.5 million, this aircraft offers advanced materials and aerodynamics that contribute to significant fuel savings. Its composite structure provides about 25% better fuel efficiency compared to older models like the Boeing 777-200ER. Annually, the A350-1000 costs between $15 million and $20 million to own and operate, factoring in a maintenance range of $1.3 million to $1.5 million per year and fuel expenses reaching $5 million to $5.5 million annually. The cost per flight hour is between $9,000 and $9,500, with a fuel burn of approximately 5,000 to 5,500 liters per hour. Heavy maintenance checks, such as a C check costing $1 million and a D check reaching $10 million, add to its expenses. Despite high initial costs, its long-term operational savings due to fuel efficiency are notable. Coming in at number 4 is the Boeing 777-300ER, with a list price of $375.5 million. This aircraft's twin-engine design offers improved fuel efficiency over older 4-engine aircraft. Its annual ownership cost ranges from $18 million to $22 million, with maintenance expenses between $1.5 million and $2 million per year. The cost per flight hour is between $10,000 and $11,000, with a fuel burn of approximately 6,000 liters per hour, leading to an annual fuel cost of $6 million to $6.5 million. A C check costs $1.2 million, and a D check runs up to $12 million. Despite these high costs, the 777-300ER is favored for its long-range capability. Crew costs are also considerable, requiring 2 pilots and up to 14 cabin crew members. At the midpoint of our countdown is the Boeing 747-8. Known as the Queen of the Skies, this iconic aircraft has a list price of $418.4 million. Its 4-engine design results in higher fuel consumption, approximately 10,000 liters per hour, translating to an annual fuel cost of $10 million to $11 million. The total annual ownership cost is estimated between $22 million and $28 million. Maintenance costs range from $2 million to $2.5 million yearly, with a C check at $1.5 million and a D check at $15 million. The 747-8 requires a crew of 2 pilots and up to 16 cabin crew members. Despite its cultural status, many airlines are retiring this model in favor of more economical options. Taking the A380, the largest passenger aircraft with a list price of $445.6 million. Its massive size allows for carrying more passengers, potentially offsetting its high operating costs. The A380's annual ownership cost is estimated between $25 million and $30 million. The cost per flight hour is between $14,000 and $16,000, with a fuel burn of approximately 12,000 liters per hour, leading to an annual fuel cost of $12 million to $13 million. Maintenance costs range from $2.5 million to $3 million per year. The aircraft requires a substantial crew, including 2 pilots and up to 21 cabin crew members. Despite its passenger capacity, the high costs make it challenging for airlines to operate profitably. Topping our list is the Boeing 747-8 VIP, epitomizing luxury and cost. Its purchase price can range from $400 million to $450 million, depending on bespoke interior completions. The operating costs skyrocket with flight hour expenses ranging from $25,000 to $50,000, significantly higher due to luxury amenities and lower passenger capacity. The total annual ownership cost is estimated between $30 million and $40 million. Maintenance costs are between $3 million and $4 million per year, with heavy checks adding up considerably. The 747-8 VIP combines the size of a commercial airliner with the luxury of a private jet, making it the most expensive commercial aircraft to own and maintain. Its bespoke configurations make it a status symbol among the world's elite. Operating these aircraft comes with exorbitant costs that extend beyond their purchase price. Each aircraft on this list presents unique challenges and advantages, from the fuel-efficient A350-1000 to the luxurious 747-8 VIP. Airlines must weigh these factors against their operational needs and financial constraints. The high costs of ownership highlight the complexities of modern aviation and the tough decisions airlines face in balancing costs with capabilities. As aviation technology evolves, so too do the considerations for owning and maintaining these engineering marvels. If you enjoyed exploring the world of aviation's most costly marvels, make sure to subscribe to Aviation Facts for more insights into the business, engineering, and operations